Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my vlog. So we had been for a short trip last week, so this is just a glimpse of that. I hope you're all doing good and fine. So it was a morning time. We just left around 10 o'clock. So we were going to an island which is 2.5 hours from our house. So this is called San Juan Island. So we have to take a ferry and we have to travel towards that island. We can take our car, and in the car we can have all the things we need uh, for the trip during the trip. So yeah, so we're just traveling towards there, and just a few glimpses of all the views that was there in between. So this is not our very first experience. We have been to these places, but due to corona from past 1 year, we're just taking short trips around so that will increase the amount of time slowly. So here we have reached the ferry station. We have done all our tickets and everything, and we are waiting in line. We have like 10-20 minutes to board in. So that time we were just we got down, we used the restroom and everything, and we were just standing outside getting some fresh air. You can see there is the ferry that takes us to the other part of the island. So there's a big island. It has different parts. So we are going on one part of it that's called San Juan Island. So we'll just roam around there. We'll see all the scenic beauties and have some lunch, spend some time, and then we'll come back by evening. So now it started. So there, the ferry is boarding the cars. So we have to follow the line, and they will direct us on which way to take the car. So we're just following the line, and now we're almost reaching towards the ferry and the boarding dock. So I always like this experience of traveling in ferry because it's so beautiful and it's so calm and so nice. So yeah, I was excited because after so long we are traveling. It's a small travel, but then still. So you can see they're directing the cars on which way to go, because some of the cars, if they have to get down in the middle, some places are there where they board the cars before that. Some people have a short distance to travel. Some people, they're going till the end of the San Juan. So like that, they're differentiating and telling people to park. So in this ferry, you can park your car, you can get down, and you can go upstairs, and you have seating arrangements. You can go outside and see the view, and you enjoy the ocean view and everything. So it will take for us an hour from our house to this ferry. It took us 2 hours from this ferry to the island that I'm telling you about, San Juan Island. It will take around 1.5 hour or 1 hour 15-20 minutes, like that. So we are all started. So we parked our car and we came up. So we had sanitizer and mask with us, though myself and my husband, we are both vaccinated, but we had our mask because kids are not. So we all were in mask and sanitizers all the time. So we got down and then we went upstairs. That's the door that directs us towards upstairs. Actually, this is like a very, very good equipped ferry. It's like they have washrooms, restrooms, everything. So you can see the restroom as I reach there, that one. So it's like nice, and that's how the seating is. Some people, they want to sit and eat, they can eat. If they want to just look at the view, they have seatings for like that. And these are all the pamphlet, like they will tell you what all sightseeing and what all activities you can do to the islands that you are going to, because there are different types of islands on different paths. It's divided in different way. So this is the seating for you can sit and watch outside. Somebody wants to use single seatings, like anybody is free to go and sit for the choice they want. There's nothing like that. You can see the big island view. and this is for the outside. We can There's a big door, we can come outside and we can stand and enjoy the natural air and everything, though it feels a little dangerous with kids, but then we can be there for some time. It's usually cold when we stand outside because it's the island and the water, right? So it's little cold. We did stand for a few minutes or something. Then my daughter was feeling cold, so we went inside. Actually, children like to see through the big window. They want to see all that, so they like usually view from like that. You can see a lot of people are standing outside because most of them, they like to stand outside and watch all this. So that there's also seating inside like this. If somebody wants to sit there and all, they have a lot of seating space, and it's very big and nice. I usually always love the ferry. You can see my son, he enjoys this window view. Actually, both of my children, they want to sit like this and they like to enjoy like this than going upstairs and outside and all. You can see sanitizer. Right now it's little foggy. As we go forward, you can see it gets clear and you can see a lot of greenery and kind of a mountain types. Now you can see how clear it has become. That's all small islands. They people take their own ships and all that. They do that also here. Actually, a lot of people do a lot of things like kayaking and stuff like that. So there are also small islands where I think people live. So here in the islands also, people do live because if they prefer like calm and quiet kind of place they want to live. People do live in the islands too, and they use ferry to travel and as a mode of transport. You can see how beautiful it looks with all the greenery and the clouds and sky. It's so beautiful. So while we were sitting there, I just explored to go upstairs. Upstairs is the cafeteria area, but due to COVID, it's closed. They have no access there. So that's how there it is. And then I was just going around, and you can see all the pamphlets, what all we have, the activities, all through Seattle. Even they have information all through Seattle, what all we can do. Those who want to grab one and check it out while they're waiting. So like that. And now we have arrived at our destination. So we're just waiting to come out of the ferry and explore the island. So this is like a very small island kind of place, so you won't get like as city kinds, you won't see a lot of things. It's all very small cafes, small very different kinds of houses and everything. Usually it's a tourist spot. People come in here and then they stay. So I had carried breakfast also, packed breakfast, because my family, they usually prefer home cooked, because here we won't get anything. Breakfast is something different, so kids usually don't bind with that. So I took some breakfast packed from home, and then we headed towards our destination. So we were planning to go see the whole island can be seen from one top of the place. It's called Mount Constitution. So we were traveling towards there, and in between some more sightseeing were there, so I just captured that. So it's basically, you can see a lot of water around. That's what the place is, greenery and water. But it's so soothing and calm place. Like you can spend hours together sitting here, like tension free, stress free. So that's where. So we are just entered to the place. So it has like a hills, like you have to travel little a mile, a little from there, because this is narrow road, and it takes you to the top of each this thing. So that's where it is, the final thing. So we are entering there. Also, you can do camping here. There's small beaches where you can do camping. People do camping also, but we have not explored camping yet. You can see we are on the top now. It's actually very steep and narrow road. So here is what I was talking to you about. This is the beauty. That's called Mount Constitution, from where you can see the most of the part of the island. You can see how beautiful it looks. We're also going to run top of the this thing. They have small tower, so we'll go on the tower, and from there also I'll take a view. Yeah, see, yeah, that's how it looks. It's so beautiful. It's all greenery and the water and the small islands together. It looks so beautiful. So this is what the view was. So this is what I was talking about, different islands. So that's where we are, and this what's written in black, it's all different islands we can travel to. There's one called Orcas Island, so like that. Yeah, I don't remember so much names, but there are so many different islands. So we are right now in San Juan Island. So we enjoyed some time here. We spent some hours. Kids were enjoying the view. And then on the way back, I told you about the beach and camping area. So this is the beach. The opposite is the camping area. So those guys actually come down and sit here. So we were not prepared for this so much, because this was our very first trip. So that's why the kids were not in the swimming dress and everything. So we just spent some time. They just dipped their legs and just stood there for some time. And then we headed back. They spent some time in the beach. They got ice creams because it's their first outing in the summer, so we were having so much fun. So we enjoyed some time there, and you can see my son is almost dipped in water, so he had to change his dress after some playing he did. And we left from there for grabbing some lunch, because we only had carried breakfast, so we thought we'll have lunch from the island only, something from the cafe and all. So there were no much options, because it was all not much opened. So we just stopped by one of the cafe and we had some food. And you can see he changed his dress, and after that we were driving back to the ferry, and we saw this one beach, and we just stopped by there and to see and just capture some view and everything. You can see how beautiful it looks with all the clouds and everything. And then we were headed back home. We caught a ferry going back home, and everybody was super tired, but we enjoyed. We had a good family time, and this was after a long time we just did one summer outing, because last summer was locked inside in a lockdown. So from that to this, we felt really happy with some changes. So we might do more trips. I don't know, we've not planned anything yet. We're just taking baby steps for each things. I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and be a part of our beautiful family. Stay tuned, stay safe, take care of your family and yourself. See you in the next vlog. Bye.